Multiply 1500 by 70 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 7 times 5 is 35. Put 5 in this column and carry 3. 7 times 1 plus the carried 3 is 10. The second partial product is 105,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the thousands column, 0 plus 5 is 5. In the 10,000s column, bring down 0. In the 100,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 105,000. So 1,500 times 70 is 105,000.